So this is how we can adjust the iPhone camera settings for the best quality. So if you want to just change the video quality, what you can do is to open up the camera app directly, and if you slide over to the video mode, in the top right corner you can find the resolution as well as frame rate settings. So naturally, if you have it set to HD, you can tap on it and switch it to 4K. And similarly with the FPS, if you want to make the video a bit more smoother, you can just switch it from 30 FPS to 60. Even though it takes up a lot more storage, perhaps it is something that you want to just check out and see if it makes any difference for you. Also, there is the action mode and a cinematic mode, so many things which you can pick from, and this can all be changed and tweaked inside of the camera app directly. But for more settings, you need to open up the actual settings app and find the camera section. And in there, you get to pick the default recording resolution and frame rate. You can change some other things about that, like enhanced stabilization or even like HDR. Well, the thing is with this that it is impossible to say which is the best way. It really depends on the context of what you're shooting, of what your purpose is. But generally, the higher resolution the better. HDR will, record in high dynamic range, so better colors are technically going to be a result for it, right? So definitely so many more things to change in here. And as I say, it's impossible to just change and just say which settings are the best for everyone. But just feel free to check it out in here, play around with the formats. The formatting is kind of important, obviously. If you have the photo capture, you just choose it to be 24 megapixels from 12 if you have the option to, for better photo quality, right? You also can choose from between high efficiency and most compatible mode. So if you want to reduce file size, you need to choose the high efficiency. So naturally, the other one, the most compatible, will be of higher quality. So as I say, many things to play with. So let me know below in the comments which options or which settings you prefer to use. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up on the video if you liked it. Subscribe for more, and I'm going to catch you in the next tutorial.